when I had already cut the V neckline, I was like, so I decided to just leave it like that. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be talking about 7 sketches that I made this 2022 and that I brought to life basically. So 7 out of the many sketches that I made that I brought to life. Now, do you guys love my outfits? It's going to be featured as well in the sketches, and I also have the tutorial of how to sew this on my channel, so you guys should go check it out. I'm going to link it up here and in the description box below so that you guys can learn how to make it, how to get this amazing design. And my bucket hat from YouTube, yes, it was one of my surprise gifts, and it fits this dress so well. Like, it's black and underneath you have this purple and blue kind of fusion. Like, tell me what else goes with this. Let's get into our video for today. Now the sketchbook I'm using is from Claire Idera Workshop. Guys, this sketchbook is so amazing. It has these figures that you can actually use to like draw what you want to do. So it doesn't necessarily have different positions like side view, all those things, but it has the basics that you need. So this is the front view, and it also actually looks like a back view, so you don't have any problems drawing your back or your front. If you are drawing the front and back, that's what I usually do, the front and the back if it's needed. If it's the same thing as the front and back, I don't usually draw it, but if it's different, I always love it that it has 2 spaces that you can actually draw, and so many pages. Guys, here and here, you can draw anywhere. It helped me through 2022. I actually love it. So it's Claire Idera Workshop Fashion Sketchbook. I'm going to link it if it's still on Jumia, but if I don't see it, I'll probably link the Instagram handle where you guys can, go make a research and, ask if it's available. So guys, that's for that. The first sketch I am going to show you guys is the ruched dress. Now, this dress is so amazing. When I brought it to life, it was so perfect. When I mean a ruched dress, you can easily, make it longer or shorter depending on how you want it to be. So if I want it super long, I can easily make it super long, and if I want my dress to be short, I would make it short as well. So in a bit of sustainable fashion, this works so well because you have 2-3 dresses in one. Like, the height makes it a game changer. It's a midi dress from the onset, so you can make it a knee-length dress, you can make it a mini dress. It's up to you. I wore it in my birthday video on Instagram, and it was so cute, so amazing. And it also has this sweetheart neckline. I'm going to show you guys how to make this neckline in one of my future videos. It's coming out probably next 2 weeks or so. So you guys are going to see how to make 10 different types of necklines. And yes, this is basically what it looks like. Now let's move on to the next sketch. It's only worth it if you work for it. Now guys, the next sketch is this basket, jacket and pants. So in the sketch, I actually have a long sleeve jacket, so I decided to do a short sleeve instead, and the pants are also here. It has a triple layered elastic, so it's amazing. It fits any size. It's a one size fits most pants, so it's for size 4 to size 12 or 14. So it's amazing. It's a palazzo style basically, so it's beautiful on every body shape. And yes, this is what it looks like. It has this intricate detail. Like, the basket is amazing, like super cute. It also has this pocket where it has this ruffle kind of design with the outer pocket. In my video of how to make 3 types of pockets, I made this type of pocket. So this is the amazing pattern I used for these pockets. I love how the stones even came out. It's so beautiful. And then the jacket as well. The jacket is also stoned. So this is what I have right here. If you'd love to have any of my pieces, you guys should reach out to me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I am always ready to reply you, to answer your questions basically, and just hear your feedback. So that's that for these amazing basket pieces. So let's move on to the next one.
Take a cold shower, scream until you're louder.
Now next up, guys, we have the convertible kaftan. Now this kaftan is all in one. Like, you can style it in over 7 ways. I have a video of how to style it as well. It's super amazing. Like, sustainable fashion at its best. Like, at its best. I wanted something that you can actually style as a normal kaftan and a strapless dress as well. So this was the perfect blend. It has this strip that you can use to style it anyhow you want. It has buttons that you can use to, you know, clip everywhere. It has buttons everywhere, basically. Cute buttons, actually. These gold amazing buttons. It has them. It has loops. It has, you know, the sleeve that you can wear as a sleeveless, and you can wear it as, you know, a kaftan with sleeves. Basically, you can wear it as a strapless dress, a sweetheart neckline dress. That is what I actually wanted. I wanted an all-in-one dress. So this is what I call the all-in-one dress. It also has this front slits, so you can either make it a slit right here, or you can button it up and make it a full kaftan. Basically, it's the LSC Natalie Elevated Kaftan. I actually named it after myself. My other name is Natalie, and it's a beautiful name for a beautiful dress. As you can see in the sketch as well, we have it as a normal kaftan. I have it as a sleeveless kaftan, even if that sketch is actually really rusty. I have it as a sweetheart neckline as well. So let's move on to the next sketch on our list. So guys, for this next sketch, I actually literally finished it yesterday. Like, I finished sewing it yesterday and it turned out super amazing. It's this open back dress. So it has an open back. It has loops where you can put any belt to it. It has this cute gathered style, and it's elastic at the back. So even if you eat the entire world, you are still comfortable, and the back as well is elastic. It doesn't have a zipper at the bottom because it's easy to wear, and it has buttons at the back. It's so cute. And guys, you know me now, I always make sure my dresses can be worn in several ways. It comes as a sleeveless dress, but also comes with a detachable sleeve. Now, it can be a short sleeve, it can be a long sleeve, depending on your preference. It looks so good with or without the sleeves. I also love how it has this divided skirt kind of feel. My first time making this dress, it turned out really good. So let's move on to the next dress. So the next dress is this one that I'm actually wearing. It's the XOXO convertible kaftan. If you want to learn how to make it, it's on my channel. The idea I had of it was an asymmetric neckline. Though this is a V neckline, I actually made them down for my sister, and it was an asymmetric neckline. The thing is, when I was filming the video, I forgot that it was actually an asymmetric neckline I wanted to use. So when I had already cut the V neckline, I was like, so I decided to just leave it like that. Since it was a V neckline and not even a round neckline, I was so happy. So that really complemented the design of the XOXO really well. And the pockets, guys, the pocket is layers of XOXO satin and XOXO again. So it's actually really cute. The sleeve area, it has this XOXO effect. The hem, it has the XOXO effect. Like, super cute, super cool, super amazing. And the back is actually plain black with the XOXO accents just, you know, showing through. And yes, that's what I have for this particular dress. Guys, the next dress I have is this halter jumpsuit. When I drew it, I thought I wanted it to be, you know, fitted and stuff, but I wanted it to, you know, be free. It has a triple elastic band that fits any size. When I started my brand, I actually had the notion of one size fits most. So every item in my collection is usually one size fits most, except on rare occasions, probably like my convertible wrap pants. That one I always use it based on, you know, your size, and even if it's a big one, a smaller size can actually still wear it, so it's versatile still. So this is what the idea was all about, you know, the elastic waistbands, the triple elastic waistbands that makes it look not, you know, like your regular one elastic band kind of pants. Then it has the strip that you can use to tie it at the back. It's actually really cute. It has pockets, guys. I always put pockets in almost everything. And guys, it also has slits on the pants side. It's so amazing. Let's move on to the final one.
Work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up.
Now guys, I decided to save the best for last, and it's this V bottom dress that I wore to the last YouTube event. Like, it's so beautiful. It turned out so nice. I love how it felt on my body. It's convertible, like yes, as usual. My detachable sleeves came to play. I'm going to put a tutorial of how I made this dress. I'll put the pattern up first, then the sewing tutorial probably the week after. And yes, this dress, oh my god, like, this dress is amazing. It's super cute, super amazing, beautiful. I actually love it because the way it fits, the fit is just super amazing. It can also be worn as a skirt. Like, how more convertible can this get? It can be worn as a skirt. All you need to do is adjust it in the right way and you can wear it as a skirt. And yes, this is what it looks like. I actually love it. Oh my god, super cool, right? So yes, this is the sketch. The sketch is fabulous. And yes, it has a corset back too, like the lace up kind of back. It has that back that you can, you know, wear and, you know, feel comfortable, fabulous. You can make it as tight as you want and not have any problem with it. That's all I have in this video. This was the last item on the list. So my sketches have been, you know, the driving forces to my success basically this year, and I have loved having this sketchbook. Like, if you're a fashion designer and you need a sketchbook that has, you know, like figures that you can just draw on, this is an amazing one to, you know, check out. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. This has been so fun, you know, reminiscing on all the designs I worked on this year. You know, even when I was checking the sketches, I was seeing other ones that I've made that didn't make this list, but I'm sure in the future they are going to make the list. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. We're on the road to 1,000. Please subscribe, like this video, share this video, comment in the comment section. Comment so that YouTube can know that yes, you're actually engaging with my content. Yes, until my next video, season's greetings and have yourself a wonderful holiday. I'm still your girl, your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.